What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna do something very different from before because last week I was obsessed with PumpSwap tokens and I wanted to be part of it, but I couldn't figure out why my token was not listed on Dexscreener, and I finally understand why it isn't, and I finally see that how much people are benefiting out of this thing and how this is a cheat code for making money really easy. Alright, so watch this really carefully, step by step. That is very important in this educational series, So just let's search some tokens, look at them. Look at this one, for example. This dude made 28 Solanas. I mean, congratulations, bro. I don't know how much you added, but like 28 Solana, probably you made at least 8 Solanas, right? So this is a good example. Let me find another. And these dudes are making coins like in every 5 minutes or like in every 2 minutes. Like, it's not crowded, okay? It's not really known information for now. So we gotta be fast. We gotta act quick to take our part of this money, And this dude has 22 Solanas. Look at that buys, a lot of buys. So I mean, this method is definitely working. It is like best thing to do for me for right now. It sounds like that for me. So let's find a coin, because I'm not going to create something from zero, all the socials and stuff. I don't want to waste time. I want to do more coins instead of that. Alright, so this one, I've seen this one, and this one is like, it has a unique feature. I'm going to tell you about it in a second, but I want to remind you something. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure you follow me, you subscribe me. And if you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll answer in within an hour. And also, don't forget to like the video. I want to make the channel bigger. So, I showed you before. Go there, soul scans, and take their IPFS address. And you will have every information of the token for free. Normally, websites are charging money for that, okay? Save the image from IPFS. There's a link on every information about the metadata, alright? That's really good. So I got their description, we got their Twitter account, website, everything, alright? Just copy and paste. That's it. It's that easy. It's like, I mean, this method is like definitely a life hack. I don't know what you call. But for now, like, I'm not thinking like any better way to launch a meme coin. This is like the easiest and like most profitable. And this is the unique thing about this coin. It has website, but no contract address. That's it. So it's the free website. So we can use it and no one will be suspicious about it, okay? And I've seen like more coins on this website. I don't know about it. It maybe have news or something like that. And this is a tool I'm using because it throws no warnings. Some of them has red warnings. So be careful. Please use only legit ones. Don't use like drainers. This is very important, alright? Use legit websites only. So the token name is American Bitcoin Corp and symbol is ABC. I just fixed it. They were like reversed. So copy paste everything. And revoke mint, freeze, update. You gotta select all of them or no one is going to touch your token. I told you many times, but this is like very important. Select them, okay? Don't be cheap. Select all the options. Very important. So create your token and confirm, click confirm. And then create the Rugpull, click on that. This time we're gonna put 2 instead of 10 because we are taking like we are adding like 20%, just like PumpSwap do. So Dexscreener will think that this coin is migrated from PumpSwap. That's the hack of it, alright? When you do it, it's like a migrated coin with small amount of liquidity. So it's really weird, okay? And this is my touch, as you know. I burn like really small amount, so it triggers some snipers, some Telegram groups, some audit tools. Yeah, I mean like it brings me some more purchases. So I burnt it like 10%, something less than that or more than that, not important, but like keep it around 10% for not risking your money. So what do we have here? Let's see the results. All right, so we added 0.3 and what we have 7.52. I mean, if we added more, it will be more successful maybe. I don't know. I try the stuff like with low liquidity every time, then I'll start doing it like with more. If you do it with more, I don't know what will happen. For now, I don't have the answer, but on my videos, next videos, I'll do it with more liquidity. So look at it, we got 7.62 Solanas and we measured like 0.3, right? So this is like crazy money for doing small amount of work. So what do we have here? We gotta just take out a fees, and what will happen after we're taking out a fees? It will be like something about 6. And Solana is not that good, market is not that good. Even in these conditions of market, we are still printing. Stick with the channel, you will be printing every day, alright? So we made $850 in this market. This is crazy money, man. I mean, we almost did nothing, you know? We just used our information about how to get listed on Dexscreener, because people are trying to make coins on PumpSwap and they're failing because they don't know what I know. And it is just make your coin look like it came from PumpSwap. What PumpSwap does is they're adding 20% of the tokens to the liquidity. That's the trick of it. When you do it, Dexscreener will think that your coin is migrated from PumpSwap. So that's a cheat. It won't be there for that long. It will be oversaturated again, like every method. So if you have a chance, just use it. Do it really quick. Like, just don't waste your time with creating socials and stuff. Just find some token and do it. That's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Take care.